Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Shubham. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity provided by Wipro, where all the opportunities are related to business analytics domain. So if you are a candidate looking for opportunity in the respective career, then this video is for you. We will be sooner going to the official careers page of the Wipro, where we are seeking all the opportunities and also mandatory information related to this opportunity. So if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all the latest notification from our side. Also for the unique viewer and the first time viewer of our platform, we have already created WhatsApp channel and Telegram discussion group for the likely minded people like you. If you want to join and collaborate, then it is open for you. You can join it for free and you will be lifelong free member for our opportunities and discussion group. So without wasting time, you can visit the video description and you will be finding all the joining link from there, also with the official careers page link of the particular opportunity. So let's connect to our screener where we'll be seeking this opportunity. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the Wipro careers page where you have to seek multiple opportunities starting with the business analytics L4, and it is contractual based opportunity. City is Kochi and state is Kerala. So we will be covering some of the main pointers about the all the job opportunity. So your job description includes customer requirement gathering and engagement. If you know fundamentals of business analytics, so it is the same like you have to gather the requirement and share with the respective team, and your team including you will be working on the same to solve the problem or fulfilling the client requirement. Next point is engage with delivery team to ensure right solution is proposed to the customer. Means if the customer has demand for the X, then make sure that you will be delivering X rather than other thing. And if any customer is facing any difficulty or issue, so make sure that you will be coordinating with the right person or right team to solve the issue, because if customer is not satisfied with your service and product, so next time it might happen they won't be choosing you for the respective product or service, and your company may lose the valuable customer. Next, support project management and delivery things. Define and plan project milestone. You have to drive and challenge the presumption of the delivery team. Ensure that customer satisfaction is high and you are delivering on time. So it is for the 5 to 8 year of experience is recommended, but if you feel that if you are having good knowledge and you can be the right fit for this opportunity, then you can apply. Next opportunity is the same from the Wipro only, like it is for the Power BI development, and city is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. If you are having 3 to 4 years of hands-on experience on Power BI, then you will be at much better place. Databricks, strong experience in data engineering and analytics. Secondary skills required for this opportunity is ClickSense or Tableau. You must be having strong knowledge of SQL query. It is for L2 level and Power BI is much more mandatory. Other details of this opportunity include you have to design, develop and optimize ETL, ELT pipeline using Databricks. Make sure that you are implementing data lakehouse architecture for structured and unstructured data. Next point, deliver high quality data set for machine learning and business intelligence use cases, automating workflow and data break job. Monitor and troubleshoot data pipeline for reliability and efficiency. And already we have discussed the location, but here also Bangalore is showing, so make sure that you are confirming with the HR and the team before accepting the offer letter. Third opportunity is in the same domain like Power BI architect. It is for the senior most level. City is Chennai and state is Tamil Nadu. Over 12 plus year of experience and minimum 5 year of experience as an Power BI or BI architect. You will be must having good command in data modeling, SQL, problem solving, performance tuning, test case analysis, etc. 8 to 10 years is recommended, but as mentioned earlier, it is for more than 12 plus year. But if you feel that you are a right candidate, then you can apply. We will be sharing you direct application link. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. If you feel that you are getting good and valuable opportunities from our side, then do share it with your friends and other college community. They will be also be getting the opportunity in future itself. Thank you so much. I will be seeing the next video with another great opportunity. Till then, take care and bye.